Welcome to Productive Phone Channel, where your life gets better. Smartphones have increasingly become a powerful mobile computing device that can replace a few things like a laptop and a digital camera. With new mobile phone model, it often comes exciting features that allow users creative and productive capabilities to the new level. In this video, I will share 4 ways to earn extra income through your smartphones.
Mobile phone's camera can now replace digital cameras in most shooting requirements, even for professional usage. Some flagship phones come with professional-grade cameras, which can compete well with DSLR. Most phone users can now capture high-quality images and videos. I think it is a shame for these photos and videos not to be shared. There are now apps that allow you to do that while giving you also the opportunity to earn extra income. Let's look at several apps that allow us to sell our photos, or in some cases videos. The first one is Foap. This site sells photos at $10 each, where they keep 50% commissions. This is better than most of the large big-name stock photography websites. This app offers contest, winning up to $100 from their image brief. If there are recognizable people, you need to have a model release contract. They pay you via PayPal. It is free to register. The second app that is worth looking at is IM. It seems to an easy app to use, especially for a beginner photographer. They provide great resources on how to improve photographic skills, and they also guide newbies into new photo trends that sell. They also provide challenges to win prizes. One of the prizes can include being featured in their premium collection, which means a greater chance of selling your photos. Your best pictures may also get on Getty Images, which is a well-known and high-reputation stock photography website. IM has reduced their commissions below 50%, however the image price can be higher than Foap. Another app I will recommend for beginner photographers is DreamsTime. This microstock has been around for a while. They are less strict in terms of accepting photos compared to other bigger stock photography websites. They offer a tiered royalty system in place for all sales. This means that good seller images get paid better as they hit higher ranking. Their royalty rates are 25 to 60%. They also have a subscription model, which pays 35 cents per image. DreamsTime also accept video footage up to 4K. Instagram is one of the top social media platforms right now, with reported active users around 1 billion people. The largest demographics are in the age from 18 to 24 years old. The highest concentration of users is in the US at nearly 120 million. Instagram has become an ideal fit for e-commerce marketing. 83% of Instagram users discover new products and services on the platform. So, how do we earn money on the Instagram? There are several ways. One of the ways is to become an influencer. This often means that you become the face of sponsored brands. You can start by taking selfies and gain followers that way. An influencer with 10,000 to 50,000 active fans can make a few thousands per post. Those influencers with up to 1 million followers can get $10,000 per post. Other ways to earn an income on Instagram is by becoming an affiliate to get paid commissions. Alternatively, one can create and sell own physical or digital product, or alternatively offering a paid service. The first way to earn monies with your smartphone is to sell quality images and videos online. The third method to earn money from your mobile phone is you create a YouTube channel showing off your special skills or interests. There are many niches that people are interested in watching on YouTube, including travel, lifestyle, cooking, or showing off your special talents. Their commissions below 50%, however the image price can be higher than Foap. There are 2 ways you can make money on YouTube. You can use the platform to promote your own goods and services, or you can use your created contents to generate ad revenue, called AdSense, right from YouTube. cents per image. Dreamstime also accept video footage up to 4K. YouTube can generate serious income for content creator through its advertising revenue sharing program because over 1 billion YouTube videos are watched around the world every day. YouTube pays you every time someone clicks on one of the advertisements on your videos. Some ads are paid per 1,000 views. The top earner for year 2020 was Ryan Kaji through its Ryan's World channel for kids, which earned him $38.9 million in year 2020 with 41.7 million subscribers and 12.2 billion views. But, to start earning from YouTube advertising revenue, you need to get accepted into their YouTube partner program. For acceptance, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, if you are in the age from 18 to 24 years old, the highest concentration of users is in the US at nearly 120 million. The last way to make money with your mobile phone is to day trade cryptocurrency. Trading in cryptocurrency can make a huge profit because some cryptocurrency can rise a lot in a day or two. Hence, the crypto market is ideal as a day trading activity beside your main job. However, it comes with a high risk also due to its volatility. This method of earning money needs some capital investment. Just invest a small amount that you can lose, say $1,000. The idea is to buy low and sell at a small percentage profit, say 2% every day. The magic of compounding interest at work. Percent of Instagram users discover new products and services on the platform. Please turn your notification on and subscribe if you have not already done so. We will appreciate it if you like and comment.